Welcome viewers to your NEET channel in YouTube. You will see the video today on the topic meiosis. This is Venkatesan welcoming you all. A specialized kind of cell division is meiosis. What is the advantage? It reduces the chromosome number by half. And what you call the resulting cell? Haploid daughter cells. Let us take example in human being. The somatic cell, that is any cell in the human body, let us say seminiferous tubules in male or ovary in a female. What is the number of chromosomes? It is diploid 2n, 2 into 23, 46. The germ cell, whether it is sperm in a male or egg in a female, has haploid number of chromosomes, that is only 23, 1n. How this is obtained? By meiosis, by a process called meiosis. Fertilization of the egg by the sperm restores the diploid phase, that is 46, 2n. What is the advantage? The chromosomal number will remain constant in all the body cells in all generations. Let us go to the details of meiosis. We can divide meiosis into two major parts. Meiosis 1, another one meiosis 2. What is meiosis 1? We can say otherwise reduction division. That is chromosomal number becoming half. This reduction division has the same four phases: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Of these four phases, prophase 1 is elaborate than any other stage. Why? We will see the slides hereafter. But if you see metaphase 1, anaphase 1 or telophase 1, they are as in mitosis. What about meiosis 2? We can call it as equational division. That is, the chromosomal number will remain constant from the cell to the daughter cells. So as is in the case of mitosis. Now let us go to meiosis 1. That is the first division of meiosis. So during the non-dividing phase, we say interphase. During interphase, all the chromosomes will form together a chromatin thread known as chromatin reticulum, a distinct nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, a very prominent cytoplasm, and that of the cell membrane. This is the interphase, non-dividing phase. And as meiosis begins, you come across changes in the chromatin reticulum. For convenience, we say maternal chromosomes in one color. Maternal means chromosomes obtained from mother. Paternal chromosome obtained from the father. So the father contributes his chromosomes through the sperm, and the mother contributes her chromosomes through the egg or ovum. Now we can see the prophase 1. If you take one chromosome, that of the mother, you will see that it has two chromatids. And if you see that of the father, there are two chromatids. And we call them as the homologous pair of chromosomes. In metaphase 1, all these chromatids are arranged in the equatorial plane. In anaphase, the chromatids are pulled in the opposite poles by the spindle fibers. And in the telophase, the cell begins to divide into two cells. This is telophase 1. Let us see the elaborate conditions of prophase 1. In prophase 1, this is just an overall view of all stages. Stage 1, leptotin, 2, zygote, 3. Pachytene. 4. Diplotin. 5. Diakinesis. This is followed by metaphase 1. In leptothene, the stage 1 of prophase 1, leptothene, chromosomes become gradually visible. That is, the chromatin reticulum or the chromatin thread will undergo condensation so that they become distinct chromosomes of a particular species. Then centrioles will move towards the opposite poles. Stage 2, zygothene of prophase 1. Here, chromosomes will start pairing. This is the synapsis. This is the paternal chromosome. This is the metal chromosome. And each chromosome is made up of 2 chromatids. And both these chromosomes are held together by means of the synaptonemal complex. So they come together and they form synaptonemal complex. And each chromosome is having 2 chromatids, so we say bivalent. At the same time, the maternal and the paternal chromosome form the homologous pair made up of 4 chromatids, so we say tetrad. So we can say bivalent for each chromosome, tetrad for the homologous pair. The third stage is pachytene. After the prophase 1, the third stage is pachytene. Now, each chromosome of the bivalent. So, if you see here, the paternal and the maternal chromosome. If you take the paternal chromosome, you will come across 2 chromatids. This is one chromatid and this is another chromatid, and we call them together as the sister chromatids. And you can see the nature of the genes distributed, which is shown by configuration as capital A, capital B, capital C. In the other chromosome of the homologous pair, you will see 2 sister chromatids, and for convenience we have shown here the configuration of the genes as a small a, small b, small c. We call them together as the homologous chromosomal pair, or we say tetrad. Each one is called bivalent. So if you take this chromatids, this is the sister chromatid of this chromosome, and this chromatid we are called together as the non-sister chromatids. They are called non-sister chromatids. Now, between the non-sister chromatids, we come across appearance of recombinant nodules, where crossing over, if any, not always, if at all a crossing over takes place, it occurs between the 2 non-sister chromatids. It is 2 non-sister chromatids. So in one you will see capital A, capital B, capital C as the sequence of genes, and in the other non-sister chromatid you will see the sequence of genes as small a, small b, and small c. So crossing over takes place. You can see here at this point crossing over has taken place. What is the enzyme that helps? The enzyme recombinase and exchange of genetic material. So that you will see that in one it is capital A, capital B, small c, and in the other non-sister chromatids it is small a, small b, capital C. That is how we come across the process of crossing over. Next is diplothene. This is the longest phase of prophase 1. What happens here? The synaptonemal complex, that is, if you take this chromosome, between these 2 chromatids there will be synaptonemal complex that gradually will disintegrate or dissolve. And this chromosome and the next chromosome of the chromosomal pair will get separated but not complete. They begin to separate, but it is not complete. And still you can see that they attach at the chiasmata point or at the crossing over point. Wherever there is a crossing over, we call that junction as the chiasmata. We call it as the chiasmata. The last stage of prophase 1 is diakinesis. What happens here? That means all this crossing over chiasmata will terminate due to chiasmata shifting. Chromosomes fully undergoes condensation. Meiotic spindle prepares for the separation of homologous pair. Nucleoli disappears. Nuclear membrane disappears. Now it represents transition to metaphase 1. So this is the condition of the diakinesis. Thereby the prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is completed. What about the rest? Metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, they are as in mitosis. So then we come across meiosis 2 as in mitosis. So number of daughter cells produces 4. Number of daughter cells is produced 4 from one mother cell. Each daughter cell is a haploid, that is N. The resultant cell we call it a sperm in male, or you can say egg or ovum in the case of female. So male produces 4 sperms from one sperm mother cell, and female produces only 1 egg or ovum, and the other 3 daughter cells will disintegrate. This is meiosis 2, where you come across equational division or mitotic division as in the case of mitosis. We will see the details of mitosis in the next video. Meanwhile, you can visit the website www.yourneat.com, where you get multiple choice questions in biology and some question papers in chemistry also. And you can register first by sign up into the website. Then you can open the website, go to the question paper, work out the question paper with your right answers that you think. Then you can see the result, what is the score in that particular paper, and also you can see what is the right answer and whether your answer is right or wrong. All this can be seen in the single website www.yourneat.com. Meanwhile, all the best for every one of you for your NEET medical entrance examination, or if you are appearing for the group 1 or group 2 or group 3 in state board or in UPSC, you can use this website and get benefited. All the best.